Dear students, welcome to my third class on Module 4, Curve Fitting and Statistical Methods. In this lecture video, I'll be discussing rank correlation coefficient. Spearman's rank of correlation. The Spearman's correlation coefficient is defined as the Pearson's correlation coefficient between the rank of variables, and it will be denoted by the notation rho. Suppose if x and y are two variables, let rx and ry are the rank of the variables x and y respectively. Then di is equal to rx minus ry be the difference between the two ranks. Then Spearman rank correlation is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square by n cube minus n. So where di will be the difference between two ranks. Problems. Problem number 1. 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by 2 judges in the following order. Compute the coefficient of rank of correlation. The rank given by judge 1 is 1, 6, 5, 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. The rank given by judge 2 is 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. So now I am going to make a tabular column to find the difference between two ranks. Then I will be finding di square. Then I am going to calculate the rank correlation coefficient. So make a tabular column first. The tabular column must have two ranks. So this x I will be taking like the rank has been given by judge 1, and this y has been taken the rank from judge 2. D is nothing but difference between two ranks, and d square I am going to calculate now. So the rank by judge 1 is 1, 6, 5, 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8, and rank by judge 2 is 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. So now I am going to find the difference between two ranks. So I am going to subtract two ranks to find the value of the difference d. So subtracting these two, I got minus 5. Next one is 2, minus 4, minus 5, 9, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. So now I am going to find the difference square. So squaring all the differences, I got 25, 4, 16, 25, 81, 0, 1, 1, 4, 1. So now I am going to compute summation d square. Adding all the d square values, we can able to compute summation d square. So summation d square is given by 25 plus 4 plus 16 plus 25 plus 81 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. It will be equal to 158. So since the problem having 10 competitors, the value of n will be equal to 10 here. So now I will be replacing these values in the formula. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square by n cube minus n. So I got the equation 1 minus 6 into 158 by 10 cube minus 10. So by simplifying this, I got the rank correlation coefficient is equal to 0.042. Problem number 2. 10 students got following percentage of marks in two subjects, say x and y. Compute the rank of correlation coefficient. The marks in subject x is given by 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 62, 65, 39. Marks in subject y is given by 84, 51, 91, 60, 68, 62, 86, 58, 50, 40, 53, 47. So since they have given marks here, we supposed to give the rank for the given marks. Then we can able to estimate the rank correlation coefficient. So now make a tabular column. So in the tabular column, we must have the following coefficient. That is x we must have. Next rx, this is nothing but rank of the subject x. Next is subject y. Ry is nothing but rank of the subject y. Difference between rx and ry, difference square. So the marks of the subject x is given by 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 62, 65, 39. So now I am going to assign the rank for the given marks here. So I am going to assign rank 1 for the highest marks and rank 10 for the lowest marks. So I am assigning 98 as rank 1, 90 as rank 2, 82 as rank 3, 78 as rank 4, 75 as rank 5, 65 as rank 6, 62 as rank 7, 39 as rank 8, 36 as rank 9 and 25 as rank 10. Similarly, same thing here also. I am assigning rank 1 for 91, rank 2 for 86, rank 3 for 84, rank 4 for 68, rank 5 for 62, rank 6 for 60, rank 7 for 58, rank 8 for 53, rank 9 for 51 and rank 10 for 47. So now I am going to find the difference between two ranks. I mean Rx minus Ry I am going to find. So 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2, minus 2 I got it. So now I am going to find difference square. So squaring all the differences, I got 1, 0, 0, 16, 1, 4, 0, 0, 4, 4 I got. So now the summation of difference square will be equal to adding all the differences square. I got 30. So now I am going to use the formula to calculate the rank correlation coefficient. So the value of n will be equal to 10 here and summation di square is 30. So use the formula rho is equal to 1 minus 6 times of summation di square by n cube minus n. So I got 1 minus 6 into 30 by 10 cube minus 10. So I got 0.81818. So by simplifying this, we got rho is equal to the rank correlation coefficient is equal to 0.82. Problem number 3. 10 competitors in a music contest are ranked by 3 judges A, B, C in the following order. Use the rank correlation coefficient to decide which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. So the rank by judge A is given like 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. The rank by judge B is 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6, 9. The rank by judge C is 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. So now I am going to find the tabular column. So the tabular column must have the following components, that is difference of AB square, difference BC square, difference CA square, because I am going to find the rank for 3 pairs. That is, first pair is the rank of AB pair, the judge A and B. Next for the rank for judge B and C, and for the rank for judge C and A. So take all the ranks here. The rank by judge A is 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. The rank by judge B is 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6, 9. The rank by judge C is 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. So now first I am going to find the difference between A and B and squaring that. So I got 4, 1, 9, 36, 16, 64, 4, 64, 1, 1 I got it. Now I am going to find the difference between rank the B and C and finding the difference square. I got 9, 1, 1, 16, 36, 64, 1, 81, 1, 4 I got it. Next I am finding difference between C and A and finding the difference square. I got 25, 4, 16, 4, 4, 0, 1, 1, 4, 1. So now I am going to find the summation of all the 3 differences squares, that is summation DAB square, it is 200, summation DBC square, it is 214, summation DCA square, it is 60. So now take the formula. The formula is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square by n cube minus n. So first I am going to find rank of the pair AB. It is given by 1 minus 6 into 200 by 10 cube minus 10. I got minus 0.21. So I got rank of AB is minus 0.21. Similarly, rank of BC is given by 1 minus 6 into 214 by 10 cube minus 10. So on simplifying this, we got minus 0.297. So rank of BC is minus 0.297. So next is row CA. It is given by 1 minus 6 into 60 by 10 cube minus 10. it is 0.636. So we got the row of CA is given by 0.636. So it is observed that rank of AB and rank of BC is non-negative. It implies that A and B and B and C are positive here. So thus we can conclude that the judge C and A have the nearest common taste of music, because we got the row of C is given by 0.636 here. Next problem, compute the rank correlation coefficient for the following data given the marks of 10 students in 2 tests. The test 1 is given by 33, 56, 50, 65, 44, 38, 45, 52, 15, 26. The marks by test 2 is given by 50, 35, 70, 25, 36, 58, 75, 60, 55, 26. The first thing is we have to assign the rank for the given marks, then we can able to calculate the rank correlation coefficient. So make a tabular column. The marks by test 1 is given by 33, 56, 50, 65, 44, 38, 45, 52, 15, 26. Now I am going to assign the rank for the marks. So taking the highest marks as rank 1, lowest marks as rank 10. So the rank 1 is 65 1, for 56 2, for 52 3, for 54, for 45 5, for 44 6, for 38 7, for 33 8, for 26 9, for 15 10. The marks by test 2 is given by 50, 35, 70, 25, 36, 58, 75, 60, 55, 26. The rank will be given like for 75 rank 1, for 70 rank 2, for 60 rank 3, for 58 rank 4, for 55 rank 5, for 50 rank 6, for 36 rank 7, for 35 rank 8, for 26 rank 9, and for 25 rank 10. So now I am going to find the difference between two ranks, rank 1 and rank 2. That is given by 2 minus 6, 2 minus 9, minus 1, 3, 4, 0, 5, 0. So finding the difference square, I got 4, 36, 4, 81, 1, 9, 16, 0, 25, 0. So now I am going to find the summation D square. So it is given by 176. So adding all the values of the difference square, I got the value 176. So now take the formula. It is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square by n cube minus n. It will be equal to 1 minus 6 into 176 by 10 cube minus 10. I got minus 0.066 is the rank correlation coefficient value. Okay, in the next lecture video, I will be discussing the concept regression and lines of regression. Thank you.